Urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL. 2:05 p.m. CST Monday, January 23, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin Al-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Marshall Jackson DeKalb Cullman Moore Lincoln Franklin TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cullman, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan. 2:05 p.m. CST Monday, January 23, 2023. Wind advisory in effect from 9 p.m. Tuesday to 3 p.m. CST. Wednesday, WAT. South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 40 miles per hour or greater, expected. Gusts to around 50 miles per hour possible in the higher elevations, where all of North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. When, from 9 p.m. Tuesday to 3 p.m. CST Wednesday. Impacts, gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, tree, limbs and small trees could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions, use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle, secure outdoor objects, and